back to my channel. So today is a vlog for Poi Hun, which is my planner and stationery shop. We normally do online stuff, but today we're going to be heading to a local market here in Seattle, Washington. So I'm so excited to bring you along with that. So the past year or so, we've been trying to do more markets and stuff like that to get ourselves out there to kind of be more in the local scene also, because the past few years we've just been strictly online. Since we're in Seattle, I wanted to do more stuff in person and kind of just meet people. It's just really nice to see people at the same time and try to sell your products and stuff like that. So that's what we've been doing a lot this year, or we're planning to do this year. Today's our first market of the year and I can't wait to show you behind the scenes and stuff like that. So we're gonna go along and see what's there. And if you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. And recently I've been doing a lot of more desk setup videos and productivity videos, but I'll still be doing my Poi Hun videos just in case you were wondering. So this is one of the first, so let's get into this. So we're in the garage and this is the trunk. We have, we didn't bring too many things this time, so this box usually has all the display items, and then there's two big boxes in the back that's all product. We did some candles also, and then we have our trolley here, which is really useful. Just bring it and just stack everything on top so it's easy to wear in. We have two tables. We have a bigger booth this time, so we have that. That's pretty much it. In here, this is what I meant by all the display stuff. So there's like some decor items, there's some signs, we have some new tablecloths and stuff like that. And yeah, that's basically what we usually bring. Sometimes we bring more, but this time around we just wanted to keep it super simple. And from the last two times we did this, we kind of saw like what's more popular, how many to bring kind of thing, so we don't have to bring too many stock. And if we do sell out, that's great. If we don't, that's fine. So just bring everything back. So that's it for now, and let's head over.
We used to have each other's playlists. No, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah, and now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah, and maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over, hands under covers alone this time, but everything I see.
Okay, so we're at the menu and we actually finished unpacking really fast. So right now we're just putting like a cloth over it just in case the wind, because all the doors are open, so just in case the wind blows, because there might be a storm today, so that's kind of scary. So setup is at 12 to 3 p.m. and then the show starts at 5, so there's a 2-hour gap. I'm not sure what we're supposed to do, but we're just gonna go hang out and just go around because I don't know what else to do. But yeah, that's where we're at right now, so see you at the show.
Reminds me of you, bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together, me and you forever. Tell me where you've been, yeah, since our break. I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't control. I've been in a daze. I left my heart out to you so you could see me through. Though you still deserve better, you stick with me, cause everything I see still reminds me of you. Bag of all your things, the memories of when I kissed you. Remember when we used to say to each other, we belong together.
Hello, so we're back it's like 11:30ish, and it's definitely way past our bedtime. We had a lot of fun today. It was raining a little bit, or a lot, so I didn't think there was a lot of traffic compared to normal, but in my opinion, there was a lot of people. But yeah, so that was my little vlog, and thank you for coming with me and watching till the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to chat with you in my next video, and I'll see you there. Oh, don't forget to follow Poi Hun on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!